Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the University of Glasgow, Scotland, admission information, everything you need to know if you want to study in this university and you are an international student. Okay, so let's talk about some basic information about this. This university is a prestigious Russell Group member and it ranks among the top 100 universities in the world. There are some diverse programs, huge programs, and reputation of this university. Okay, so available program there are 600 plus diverse field, which means a lot of programs available here. Based on your programs or your background, you can find your desired program here. The bachelor programs runs from 3 to 4 years. Master's program for 1 to 2 years. Probably master's by course is for 1 years, and master's by thesis, which is called master's by research, is 2 years. And the PhD programs can mm, vary from 3 to 4, depending on your research capabilities or your research topic. There is some application timeline when you should apply to this university and when you will get your offer letter. Here are some study areas, a lot of study areas as we can see here. It doesn't mean that it is a single programs. In the civil engineering faculty or civil engineering study area, there can be a lot of programs in this. For example, there is a there is something about civil engineering, and there are another thing which also related to civil engineering. So in the civil engineering field you will get 3 or 4 programs, I think. So you can search your program right here. Science, humanities, social science, engineering, psychology, law, medicine, I think everything is available here. And here is a hyperlink. Here are some hyperlinks here. You can click by this and learn more about undergraduate study program, postgraduate and research opportunities, and a hyperlink for international students. Let's talk about the admission requirement for undergraduate. You must complete your 12 years of education in Asia. It can be HSC in Bangladesh and for other countries. Okay, so it's about 12 years education, and your study results should be 80% or higher. And your English proficiency IELTS scores is minimum 6.5, no band less than 6.0. For postgraduate taught master's program, you have to attain 70% plus GPA, and your English proficiency scores must be from 6.5 to 7. For PhD program, you must have a second class honors degree at least, and also have a good research capabilities. A good number of IELTS scores is needed here, which is 7.0, and no band less than 7.0. Okay, so here are some country specific requirements. You can visit this hyperlink. Now the question is, what are the required documents to apply to this university? Your academic transcript and certificates are needed to apply to this university. For undergraduate, your 10th class and 12th class certificate and transcripts are needed. For bachelor, your undergraduate and 12th class certificate and transcripts. And for PhD, your master's and bachelor transcript and certificates are needed to apply to this university. Proof of English language proficiency, which means your IELTS score is needed here. A personal statement or a statement of purpose or motivation letter, whatever it is needed to apply to this university. Letters of recommendation, I think 2 plus 1 plus 2 or something. Recommendation letters needed. You can collect this recommendation letter from your professor or the teacher that the teacher will know you better, and who can recommend you better, and who can write something good or positive for yourself. Your passport copy and your complete CV or resume is needed for the postgraduate application, masters and PhD. Okay, so There are some other documents and some instructions here. You can read this. Here are some ideas about the tuition fees of international students. This is for undergraduate tuition fee. Okay, so you can see the amount of money in pound. This it is varied from different programs. For example, yes, you can see for medical and dental surgery, the tuition fees the highest, and for social science or other programs, I think it's the lowest. Yes, it is. For law, it's something lower. For postgraduate tuition fee, you can visit this link. And here's an idea for living expense. The budget is between £1,100 to £1,700 per month, which can be costly for you, and it depends on your lifestyle. Here are some suggestions and available scholarship. There is a lot of scholarships in this university. University internal, external, government scholarships uh, are available in the scholarships. For country specific scholarship, you can visit this hyperlink. And here are some frequently asked questions. Okay, and you can visit this official link to learn more about the University of Glasgow. Okay, you can search here your desired programs or any other official and the most updated information. So viewers, that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Be with us. All the best.